Hi everyone and welcome back to another fun and exciting video. And today I'm not alone. I have someone joining me and she has been an exceptional performer and she's been one of the top people who have won Walmart Codehers 2024. And today she is joining us live from the Walmart office talking about her experience and her journey and whatever tips and advice she has for you guys out there who are planning to get a job in coding or plan to take up coding challenges of different kinds. So let me quickly, without any further ado, welcome Anjali on stage and kind of walk you through her journey together.
Okay, hello everyone. So,
Hi. So
hi
Anjali,
Anand.
let's do this. Why don't you walk us through a small, tiny introduction of who you are, where you come from, so that everyone can know you a little better.
Okay, so hello everyone. Myself Anjali Mittal, and currently I'm pursuing my BTech from NIT Silchar in Computer Science and Engineering. Apart from that, currently I'm working as a software engineer intern at Walmart Bangalore office, where I'm currently working with the Artemis advertisement tech team, where our project is based on integration of advertisements.
Okay, wow, that sounds very serious, and it sounds great. A student who's currently in her college getting to intern with one of the top brands out there, and it's all thanks to your skills and your consistency that you've shown that you've been able to reach there. So, Anjali, I remember you told us that you had received several internship offers, and one of them came from Walmart via the Coders Challenge.
Yeah.
So tell me a little about what was your reaction when you got the offer letter from Walmart, and since you had so many offers, how did you decide that this is the one I want to go after?
Receiving Walmart's offer was a kind of testament to my dedication, to my perseverance. The feeling was very good because I knew that my efforts had grabbed me a very good opportunity. So this milestone marks as a significant turning point in my journey, experiences, or making network with people, getting into network opportunity, as well as for my career growth as well. Now coming to the part why I chose Walmart. So choosing Walmart has several reasons. Like the very first, it's global brand and impact. It's a well established global brand with significant impact over the retail industry. Its diverse business segments, which includes e-commerce, including supply chain management. So working in such a kind of diverse environment offers a range of very a cutting edge experience over the projects. Apart from that, we can consider innovation and technology, which attracts me a lot, such as automation, artificial intelligence, along with data analytics. Then career development, career growth, and company's culture and valueness. And this is all about why I chose Walmart.
That's good. That's a very detailed explanation, I think. And that's very important to have when you're kind of joining as an intern, because this is the first place where you're getting the exposure in the corporate world, which will eventually pave the way for you forward when you start working full time. This is good, great, Anjali. So because coders was like a coding challenge, if we have a lot of coding challenges up always coming up on Unstop, which you already know of. So if you have to, give an advice to someone who has just 30 days to prep for a coding challenge, what do you think they should focus on majorly?
Since we are talking about a very short span of time, so this time is very crucial, first of all. So, and we should focus on some key areas like practicing strategically, first of all, identifying and analyzing some key problem areas like arrays, linked list, specifically dynamic programming, and not only this, but practicing problems of this over platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Codeforces is really very, very important. Like we can start from easy problems, gradually going to difficult ones. Apart from this, optimizing solutions is really very, very important. Understanding and analyzing the time and space complexities and optimizing solutions, improving efficiency gives a great edge for all assessments and for all interviews as well. And I believe fundamentals should be on our tips, so continuously reviewing and revising fundamentals is really very important. So we need to brush upon the fundamentals of programming, data structures and algorithm to build a good foundation. And then we have to continuously practice. Consistency is very important. Even if you solve one question per day, but be consistent, that is really very, very important, especially when the period of time is very short. So continuous revision, continuous reviewing, continuous practice is very, very important.
That's great. Yeah, I mean, consistency matters a lot. What happens
Really,
is sometimes
exactly.
we as students, we start off and then we kind of lag behind because of other things
uh,
that we do. But
Even if you
yes,
solve one question, two question per day, but just solve and practice and struggle through the question, I believe.
that's good. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. I absolutely agree with you on that.
Yeah.
So coming back to your coders experience, it's one of the most sought after challenges that comes up on Unstop because we see so many female coders join the register during the registration phase, and we can see all of them talking about it a lot on LinkedIn as well. Tell us a little about how your experience was during in the rounds of Walmart coders. What happened? What stood out for you? Anything
Okay.
around that?
Okay, so Walmart coders, it typically consisted of two rounds. Okay, so for the beginning round, I was asked CS fundamentals and data structures. We were given 25 minutes, and I had to solve 25 MCQs within that time. So the key takeaways from that assessment was. Uh, to get a good grip and hold upon CS fundamentals like object oriented programming, SQL, DBMS, and debugging. Debugging practice should also be good, as we also were given code snippets to work and figure out things over that. Then my second round consisted of DSA challenge, over which I was given two coding question, one question of medium and the other question of medium to difficulty level. It basically focused on areas of graphs and dynamic programmings. Apart from that, each question consisted of 100 marks, and we were asked to work upon the private as well as public test cases. And private test cases were hidden. So, analyzing optimal solution for the question which was given to us and writing clean code was a mandatory way through it.
Okay, got it. And were you stressed, or are you one of those who was like, no, I got this, and I'm going to make the best out of this opportunity?
Yes, I was one to think that however, I have to make the best through this opportunity.
Good, good. I think that
Yeah.
helps a lot because if you're confident in your own skills, then it shows up when you're, giving a solution or giving an interview or anything. So the fact that you're now sitting in the Walmart office, what does a day in your life at Walmart look like?
Okay, so my day at Walmart starts with breakfast, followed by collaboration, innovation, because we need to work with the cross-functional teams to think over design, to develop, as well as to deploy solutions, which enhances the business value of Walmart. Then coding and testing is a regular part of our day, writing codes, clean code, efficient code, and then testing it thoroughly to ensure high quality deliverables. Apart from that, learning and growth. So participating in workshops, participating in developer boot camps initially, in training sessions, knowledge shared meetings to stay up to date with the trends of the industry. And we can end with feedback and iteration, where we have we have to engage with the team members, stakeholders, mentors, and buddies to receive the feedback, discuss our progress for the project, and align with the goals of the project.
Wow, nice. A very
Yeah.
productive day indeed. I think that's good. I mean, you're getting to learn so much as an intern.
Mhm.
And I think before we jump into what I like to call a rapid fire round, I would just like you to share any tips or advice that you have for, say, the upcoming batch, or your peers out there who are in your stage right now, looking for internships, trying to upskill and hone their skill set. What would you like to share with them as a tip or an advice?
Okay, so as an advice, I would like to give them uh, that may data structures and algorithm is very 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 important. Basically, it is the foundation for everything, be it development, be it machine learning, or any domain you pick. So first of all, we should be clear that what we exactly want to do. Okay. And practicing data structures and algorithms on regular basis, as I earlier mentioned, that consistency is very very important. uh, Understanding the logic, understanding the algorithm, and then struggling to implement it ourselves is important, as well as there are various websites like Pleat Code, Hacker Rank, Code Forces. So I suggest everyone on regular basis should practice hard over these platforms. Apart from that, revision is also very important. Then when we talk about other online assessment or interviews, be it for internship or placement, along with data structures and algorithm, our CS fundamentals are also really really very important, as these are also used into projects. uh, so yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
having
Yeah.
a regular command over these things is really very important.
Got it. So yeah, consistency, practice, and keep up with the basics and the fundamentals before you jump into anything.
Regularly giving contest is also very important to maintain our speed and think, and to increase our speed and thinking abilities. So Code Forces and Lead Code offers a lot of contest. We can go over there as well.
Got it. Great. Got it, Anjali. I think this is super helpful. I'm sure people who will watch this, who are watching this, will learn from your experience. So, quick rapid fire now with you. I'll ask you 4, 5 questions. Give me a one word or a one line answer, maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, one coding concept everyone should master.
One coding concept everyone should answer is in data structures and algorithm, because it enables everyone to write efficient, scalable, and maintainable code. As I said, it is the foundation, and learning anything, be it ML, web, anything, the basic starting should be from DSA.
Got it. Okay. Favorite part of your internship?
Favorite part of my internship is applying my theoretical knowledge to real world problems, and seeing the impact of my work and learning from experienced professionals was invaluable to me.
Great. DSA or development? If you had to pick one, which one would you pick?
While development is very essential, because like industries work on projects, so development is essential, and a strong foundation in DSA provides a solid base for efficient problem solving, scalable code, and development.
Got it. So mix of both is very important.
Yeah, yeah.
And last question. One line to describe your journey so far.
One line to describe my journey so far. See, like embracing so many challenges, learning from experience, and coding towards innovation with a passion and with a desire for growth and excellence describes my journey so far.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Anjali. I think all the things that you shared, right, from your learnings, your experience, your time at Walmart. Everything is something that, comes from a real first-hand experience. And I'm sure people out there who want to one day, intern at brands like Walmart will learn a lot from this, and will be able to apply whatever you said in different ways, whether it be by practicing more or whether it be by just being consistent on different platforms. So, thank you so much, Anjali, for coming on board. It was wonderful getting to know you and getting to know a little bit more about your journey. And yeah, any last thoughts from your side?
Uh, uh, Last thoughts from my side is, I want to tell, means everyone who is working very hard, like my juniors as well as my own batchmates who are currently working on projects within their colleges or who are preparing for placements right now. I have a message for them. uh, that means you while preparing for your internship journey or placement journey, you may receive various kinds of setbacks or rejection, or at times you will not be able to understand things like what is going, and sometimes you see luck factor not working in life. So I have a advice for them, that be motivated, be consistent, uh, believe in yourself, and make the best out of every opportunity you get in hand. That is my advice to everyone and my thought.
Perfect. I think that advice is for everyone out there, to be very honest. So we got to keep up and we got to keep going, be consistent and keep trying. And of course, always be unstoppable. So, yes, thank you, Anjali, again. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and we'll speak again very soon.
Likewise. Thank you.
Thank you.